As a general rule, people tend to really dislike card problems. There's a variety of reasons for that, but we look at this problem, and this is a very typical card problem. So the first thing we have to identify in this problem is what actually a hand is. So we have another situation here where there's information in the book which is not necessarily written on the WebWork problem. So in the book, it states that you got a 5-card hand. Okay, so you know, if you guys are card players, you know that there are a lot of different kind of card games: 5-card, 7-card, etc. A hand in this case is a 5-card hand. There are 52 cards in a standard deck of cards and whatnot, and that's need-to-know information as you're going through and doing these. The first thing says how many hands have exactly 3 hearts. Well, the deck is broken up into 4 different suits. You have hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. There are 13 of each of those in a deck of cards. So when it says how many hands have exactly 3 hearts, we have to choose then only from hearts. There are 13 available, and we need to get 3 of those 13. Now remember, a hand consisted of 5 cards, not 3. So we've got the 3 hearts. There are 39 other cards in the deck. So I need 3 hearts, and so I'm multiplying. Out of the other 39, I need 2. So that's how many hands have exactly 3 hearts. 3 of the 13 hearts, 2 of the 39 non-hearts. Okay, the second part of this, how many hands have exactly 3 of the same suit? So what has to happen now is, before we start, we have to identify which suit is it that I want to get 3 of. Do I want to get 3 hearts, 3 diamonds, 3 clubs, or 3 spades? That's a choice that I have to make. So we start by saying there are 4 available suits, and I have to start by choosing one of the suits, which is that suit that I'm going to get 3 of. So that's my selection of a suit. All right, the next thing I need to do is get 3 of the cards from the suit that I just chose. So if my suit is hearts, then I need to choose 3 of the 13 hearts. If my suit is clubs, I need to choose 3 of the 13 clubs. So this is the selection of the cards from that suit. Select 3 cards of the suit that you selected. All right, then I still need a 5-card hand, remember. So I chose a suit, then I chose 3 of those cards. I have 2 more cards to go. So out of the remaining 39 cards that are not the suit I chose, I need to get 2 of those. Okay, last but not least. How many different hands contain cards of exactly 1 suit? So this is what poker guys would call a flush. Your hand has all cards that are the same suit. All right, so the first thing we have to do is identify what suit do we want our flush to be. So we have this select a suit step again. Now, had the problem said how many different hands contain all diamonds, we wouldn't need this, because we would know the suit that we want is diamonds. We don't know the suit that we want. Any of the 4 is okay. So we start by picking a suit. Then out of the 13 cards that are in that suit, we need to get 5. So again, this is which suit do I want. Now that I know my suit, I'd say there are 13 available cards of that suit, and I need to select 5. Now, we're not going to go through and figure out the combinations for this particular problem. You should be able to figure this out on your own. So these are the answers to this question.